Sabihin natin na ating Philippine sports community in general, please.
Okay, we are welcoming you and please watch our games on starting on July 11. It will be in KY Arena, and next July 19 will be at Iloilo Stadium. So please come and watch and see the international foreign teams in the Thank you.
Yes. Coach Obed, anong hamon mo sa mga manonood para sa Arellano? At syempre, salamat niyo for this league.
Siyempre, i-invite natin lahat na Arellano supporters ko. For sure po, bibigyan namin kayo ng magandang palabas.
Palabas, okay. Coach Wata.
Well, first po, pasasalamat po. Pasasalamat sa KBC kay Lokian. And then sa Philippine Sports Manager for having us. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you. And Serginho.
Yeah, thank you, coaches, for your call. Our thank you so much. And, please do watch our games, our matches. July 11 for the high school, for the juniors, and then July 19 also for the
Yes. And Doc Ian. You're invited also.
Yeah, we want to invite everyone, no, especially yung mga volleyball fans na na-miss yung ganitong klaseng labanan. And can I just say a special thank you to the Philippine Sports Writers Association. Every time I see you, whether it's here, Abak, I see somewhere else, and the rest of you I see somewhere else, there's a warmth that we feel pag nakikita po namin kayo at nagsasalubong tayo, and we value that, and we want to keep that partnership, if even make it better, if it is still possible to make it better. But we really take pride in being partners with you, and we want to say that maraming salamat po sa inyo. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po. Congratulations to this ready. More power. Thank you. Supportan po natin Shady's Invitational Cup this Saturday and on July 19.
Yes.
I'm Francis DSP, your Philippine Sports Writers Association Sports Forum. Good morning and God bless everyone.